Hi, we'd like to welcome you to Launch 360, a 360-degree leadership assessment tool. This video serves as a quick demonstration to show you the functionality of the tool. When you first log in, you'll automatically be brought to this dashboard screen. The first thing that you will notice is a large orange button that you can click on to start creating the surveys. It's 4 easy steps and it should take you approximately 5 minutes. In these dashboard boxes, you'll see a number of items available for your review. You'll see your surveys, how many you've purchased, and how many are unused. You'll also see some details. You'll also see any refunded survey amounts. You'll see how many surveys you've used and how many that are pending. You can view the report by clicking the preview function. And once the report has downloaded into a PDF, remember, you are the only person that can see this report. And this is where you can click to reopen the survey. We simply click to reopen the survey, and we have to select a new date that we want this survey to be open for. Step 2 is now open. Remember, it was closed before, and this is where you can invite additional reviewers. You can add reviewers in 2 ways. You can do it one by one here, or you can upload a spreadsheet with multiple names. Let's take a look at purchasing a custom assessment. This process is a little bit different than buying standard surveys because the custom assessment is created to be used for one particular person that you assign. Once you click on Buy Now, the tool will require you to assign the name of the person that is being assessed. You're then going to input 1 to 5 questions that you want to add into the survey, and you can also choose to add in 1 open-ended question. Once you're ready, you click on the Create and Purchase tab, and then go through the payment process. Here is where you can add in additional administrators. You are automatically an administrator. Remember, anyone you add will have the authority to purchase, delete, launch, and view all of the surveys in the tool. Here, I'm making Dina an HR consultant. Her status is active, and I'm actually okay with her being able to take all of these actions. I click Submit, and now she's been added. But if at some point I want to change this, I can simply delete her here, or I can also edit her access and change her status to inactive. Remember, you can request a refund for any unused product for up to 30 days from purchase. There is a 10% system fee on any returned item. If you do have additional questions, you can check out the user guide here, which will bring you straight to the FAQ section of our website. All of our questions should be answered there. But you can always reach us 24/7 by dropping us a line using the contact form, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. This has been a quick overview of the administration of Launch 360. If you want to see details on how to launch a survey or how to download a custom report or create a survey, check out the other videos available on our site. Thanks for checking us out.